Horticulture in India, different subsidy schemes, application process, and much more. Horticulture is one of the budding agricultural ventures in our country that aims at leading India's economy to new horizons. India, being so diverse with its soil and climatic conditions, favors the growth of an abundance of fruits, vegetables, crops, plants, spices, etc. Apart from that, soil in India also supports most of the major plantation crops such as coffee, coconut, cocoa, cashew, rubber, and tea. Horticulture in India is acting as a major driving force behind elevation of poverty, unemployment, problems related to food and nutrition. Fruits and vegetable. For production of vegetable seed, per beneficiary maximum of 5 hectare is allowed. Subsidy for general area is 35% for NE, TSP, Lakshadweep and ANN is 50%. Under sub schemes of NHM and HMNEH is under MIDH scheme, a total of rupees 35,000 is offered for open and rupees 1,50,000 is offered for hybrid seeds. For setting up a high-tech nursery, which is 2 to 4 hectare unit, subsidy covers 40% of the total cost. Also, a sum of rupees 0.25 lakhs per hectare is offered as credit-linked back-ended subsidy under NHM, HMNEH sub-schemes under MIDH. For a small nursery setup, which is 1 hectare unit, subsidy covers 50% of the total cost and the total of rupees 15 lakhs is offered as credit-linked back-ended subsidy under NHM, HMNEH sub-schemes under MIDH. For new orchard establishment, a single beneficiary can hold a maximum area of 4 hectares. Subsidy cover for general area is 40%, NE, TSP, Lakshadweep and ANN is 50%. For fruits, subsidy offered is between rupees 0.40 lakhs per hectare to 2.2 lakh per hectare under sub-schemes of NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. For fruits without integration, 40% subsidy is available in the general area. For NE, TSP, Lakshadweep and ANN, it is 50%. The amount comes up to rupees 0.30 lakh per hectare to rupees 0.50 lakh per hectare under the sub-schemes of NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Spices. Seed spices and rhizomatic spices per beneficiary maximum of 4 hectare is allowed. Subsidy for general area is 40% for NE, TSP, Lakshadweep and ANN is 50%. Under sub-schemes of NHM and HMNEH, which is under MIDH scheme, the total amount ranges between rupees 12,000 to 15,000 per hectare. Perennial spices such as cinnamon, black pepper, nutmeg and clove, subsidy for general area is 40%. For NE, TSP, Lakshadweep and ANN is 50%. Under sub-schemes of NHM and HMNEH, which is under MIDH scheme, the total amount is rupees 20,000 per hectare and to rupees 25,000 per hectare. Flower. For cut flowers and loose bulbs, per beneficiary 2 hectare is allowed and 40% subsidy is available for small and marginal farmers and 25% is available for others. The amount ranges between rupees 16,000 to 60,000 per hectare under NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Plantation crops. For plantation crops such as cashew, cocoa, etc., a maximum of 4 hectare is allowed per beneficiary. For the general area, it is 40% and for NE and TSP areas, it is 50%. With integration, amount sum up to rupees 40,000 and without integration, rupees 20,000 is offered under sub-schemes of NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Aromatic plants. Per beneficiary, 4 hectares is allowed. Subsidy covers 40% in general areas and 50% in the NE and TSP regions. Rupees 16,000 with integration and rupees 40,000 without integration per hectare under sub-schemes of NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Orchard. Subsidy covers 50% of the total cost. Rupees 20,000 per hectare is offered for rejuvenation of old orchard under NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Beekeeping. In beekeeping, per beneficiary, a maximum of 50 calories is allowed for pollination. Subsidy covers 50% of the total cost. Rupees 800 per colony and hive is offered under NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Bamboo. Subsidy covers 40% of the total cost for planting material production. Rupees 0.16 lakh is offered for high-tech nursery and Rupees 0.5 lakh for every small nursery unit under NHM and HMNEH under MIDH. Coconut. For the distribution of hybrids or dwarf seedlings in the government or private sector, subsidy cover of 25% of the total cost is provided and the total of 25,000 seedlings per acre is provided under MIDH. Grant submission process. Submit the project report including the project cost of Rupees 50 lakhs to the state NHP office. To NHP HQ, place of establishment and the cost of the project has to be above 50 lakhs. NHP committee will consider the project proposal from the bank for the release of subsidy amount on the basis of quoted project cost. NHP will release 100% of the funds to the concerned bank based on the prevailing norms and project setup after the approval from the committee. The bank will maintain the subsidy amount in its SFRA account until the approval is done. Estimated subsidy amount will not exceed the term loan amount that is sanctioned by the bank for the project. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Fibia Johnson.